Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Aomais Go Mini. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $60. Now it comes in 3 different colors. You got black, blue, and gray. Alright, so let's check this one out. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. Aomais Go Mini. Now this is a portable, waterproof, rugged Bluetooth speaker. Let's go through the features. Bluetooth connection. Now you got stereo pairing function. That means you can pair 2 of these together, which we're going to test out. Now it's IPX7 waterproof. That means you could submerge this in water 3 feet deep up to 30 minutes. You got a built-in microphone, built-in rechargeable battery, up to 100 feet connection range, and you got 12 hours worth of playtime. Simple and straightforward. Now you do got LED lights on the front. Y'all know my motto, hashtag RGB life. Shout out to the Black Sparrow. Let's check this one out. Rah. One more. Rah. Here we go. Now, did I say Black Sparrow? Jack Sparrow. This is the Jack Sparrow. I know. All right, here we go. Okay, let's see what you get inside. Okay, here we go. You got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. Let's see, a little thank you card, email instructions, and you got your micro USB charging cable. And you get a little 3.5 auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth devices. Now for the speaker itself. Here we go. Aomais Go Mini. Fresh out of the box, lightweight, has a rugged feel to it. This is all plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. Got a little handle at the top. Let's see on the bottom, you got some rubber stoppers. That should keep it in place on your table. On the front, there's your Aomais branding. You got 4 buttons. So you got play and pause, volume up and down, skip and reverse tracks, and your power button. 4 LEDs and another LED light. Let's power this up. Woo!
80% battery.
Okay, hold on. Let's do that again. Now, I will say this. Fresh out of the box, I like that little sound. You can feel a little bass vibrating. All right, let's turn it back on.
80% battery.
80% battery. Now, one thing about this speaker, you do got your LED light show, but you can't control it. You can just turn it on and off. So if you hold down the play button, that's going to turn it off. Turn it back on. Now, if you want to save battery life, turn the lights off. Let's see anything else. On the back, you got 2 radiators and 4 drivers in the front. Now, let me try to angle this. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you got 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and there's your 2 radiators in the back. Let's see. You got your little flap right here. Let's open this up. Okay, here's your 3.5 auxiliary input and your micro USB charging slot. I know. Okay. Let me grab a phone. We'll pair this up and do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all. So we back in. Now I got this all paired up. So now let's test it out. First things first, let's try out the speakerphone. Let me call a 24-hour diner and see what time they close. Here we go.
Hello, Chris Square.
Yes, hi. What time you guys close tonight?
Never.
Never close. All right, good looking.
Never close.
All right, I appreciate that.
Okay, bye.
All right. Speakerphone is nice and loud, crystal clear. Now let's take it over to some music. All right, so here we go. Max volume and keep your eyes on that strobe light. definitely loud. Alright, so I gotta keep it real with y'all. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now that just goes to show you, it's not all about JBL and Bose and Sony. Some of these companies that you never heard of actually make good speakers, and this is one of them. Now this speaker is nice and loud, has a lot of bass, and you know I'm feeling those RGB lights. Now, if this one sounds this good, let's see how two of them paired up together sound. Alright, so I got two Go Minis paired up together, so now let's test them out. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Go to the first speaker, you're going to hold down plus or minus for about 3 seconds. Go to the second speaker, do the same thing, you're going to hear a tone, then they'll automatically connect together. Alright, here we go, max volume. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, for $60, I'm giving these a major go. As Bob Barker would say, the price is right. For $120, you could get the set. That's a win. Alright, these speakers would be perfect to take to the beach, take them to work, use them for your clandestine activities because you got your RGB lights for mood setting, or just give them to the kids. If they lose them or break them up, who cares? You didn't break your pockets. Now, a lot of times you go to the beach or you go to a party, you don't want to bring your JBLs or your Sonos or your Bose speakers because you can't really have a good time because you got to be watching your speakers. With something like these, they're really inexpensive. Take them to the barbecue, let them rock out. Now, holiday season is right around the corner. These will make some perfect gifts. Get your grab bags ready. Anyway, this is the Aomais Go Mini. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, Say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.